At the age of 6, he starts using drugs, gets enslaved by it. After a long struggle with this substance abuse, he later becomes the highest paid actor of Hollywood. Hi all, welcome to our channel, Minutes of Motivation. And today, we're going to talk about Robert Downey Jr. Robert Downey Jr. was born on 4th April 1965 in New York, United States. His father, Robert Downey Sr., was a film director and his mother, Elsie Ford, was an actress. As he grew up in a party atmosphere, his parents didn't give much attention towards him. He grew up surrounded by drugs. The reason for that was his father, who was a drug addict himself and allowed Robert to use them at the age of 6. His father now regrets this decision. For Robert Downey Jr., the drug use was in a way an emotional bond between him and his father. He once said, "When my father and I did drugs together, it was like him trying to express his love for me in the only way he knew how." And that's how the trouble began. Robert Downey Jr. started acting at the age of 5, and during his childhood, he had minor roles in his father's movies. In 1987 came the role that started his career. He played the role of a drug addict in the movie Less Than Zero. His realistic performance got him many positive reviews and offers from top directors. For him, the doors in Hollywood were wide open for the next 4 years. From 1996 to 2001, Downey was arrested many times on charges related to drugs. He went through few drug treatment programs but was unsuccessful. In 1996, Downey was arrested for the possession of drugs and an unloaded handgun. In 1997, he was sentenced to 6 months in prison after violating his parole by missing drug test. During this time in jail, he was attacked by his fellow inmates and woke up in a pool of his own blood. In 1999, after he missed another drug test, he was arrested again and spent 1 year in prison. In prison, he worked in the kitchen washing dishes for 8 cents an hour and slept on a 3-inch mattress. He ended up questioning his sanity. After Robert Downey Jr. was released from prison, it appeared that he left the drugs behind him and started a new chapter. He was cast on the hit series Ally McBeal, where he was highly praised for his work. But the new chapter was a lie. He was still doing drugs. In 2001, he was found in an alley behind a motel barefoot in a fetal position. He was arrested and fired from the series. He almost went bankrupt. In 2003, he met the love of his life and his current wife, Susan Levin. She insisted that she would only marry him if he gave up drugs. So after many years of struggle with arrests, substance abuse, and unsuccessful rehabs, he was ready to work really hard to make a full recovery and never use drugs again. In a dramatic way, he threw all his drugs into the Pacific Ocean. After that, he entered a 12-step program and started doing meditation, yoga, and martial arts. And the biggest battle of his life began. He describes beating his addiction as coming out of a 20-year coma. In 2008, Downey started playing the iconic role of Iron Man. After almost 10 years in the role, he appeared in Iron Man 2, Iron Man 3, The Avengers, Avengers Age of Ultron, Avengers Infinity War, Avengers Endgame, and many more in Marvel's Cinematic Universe. There is no doubt that Robert Downey Jr. has been through very hard times in his life, but he didn't let anything stop him. As one of the most talented actors of all time, one of the most popular actors in the world, and one of the highest paid actors in Hollywood, his net worth today is $300 million. In conclusion, I would like to quote one of Robert Downey Jr.'s famous quote: "If you're at the bottom, doesn't mean you have to stay there." That's all for today's video. Meet you with some motivating stuff in the next video. Till then, goodbye.